Hi, thank you for purchasing the ultra-secure heavy-duty GSM wireless alarm. This is a short out-of-the-box overview video to help you get started with this unique product. So, in the box we have a heavy-duty control panel, complete with 2 keys, one power supply, two aerials, 2 remote controls, 1 magnetic door contact and 1 CD-ROM that contains the manual. On the reverse of the panel you'll see the 3 mounting points and 2 slots for wiring. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this short out-of-the-box video for the ultra-secure GSM heavy-duty wireless alarm. If you have any other questions about this product, please contact us on 01604 589 414, or you could email your inquiry to info@ultrasecuredirect.com.